Proudly presented by Smart Hire. Today, Smart Hire will be demonstrating how to start and use an electronic misting fan, otherwise known as a vapor fan. Before beginning the setup process, be sure to read all of the machine's labels and familiarise yourself with all the key components such as buttons, levers, valves and plugs. Begin by moving the machine into the desired position and then locking the wheels in order to set it in place. Then, remove the cap to the bottom water reservoir and fill the tank with water, resealing the cap when done. Secondly, simply plug the machine into an electrical outlet or lead. Once the machine is plugged in, you are able to assign the setting for the fan, choosing between settings 1, 2 and 3 for different levels of fan force. Once the fan force has been chosen, the fan may be turned on via the on-off switch. To activate the misting attachment, simply flick the switch labelled Mist in order to start the misting pump and pivot the blue handle into the on position in order to allow the water flow to the machine head. The fan also has a rotating feature which may be activated by attaching a small drive arm to the main head of the machine. It is recommended to do this while the machine is off in order to reduce movement. Finally, when done, simply turn off all switches for both the fan and misting pump, as well as closing the water valve. Then unplug the electrical hose and drain the remaining water from the water reservoir through the water drain valve at the base of the machine. To hire this machine and many more, visit the team in store at Smart Hire.